Hello guys, good evening. Actually, I had to capture to take this whole video because these are just showing numbers. मतलब backside 108 was stationed because horrible accident again encountered happened. Someone got serious injury due to obviously mammals. You have watched that at least 50 plus bullocks and cows over there. Means it just out of my, it's in my mind that utilization of bullocks and cows is very very serious matter, and it just not happened. It just had to be even before 15 years, but so many people, even I can say million plus people died on the national highway and roads of all over the India. And पूरे भारत में तो पता नहीं, भगवान ही जाने हर साल हर दिन मतलब हर साल कहाँ से कितनों की नेशनल हाईवे और रास्तों पे जान जाती होगी। ये क्या बोले कि आखले और गाय की वजह से, क्योंकि जब भी मैं देखता हूँ कि पैसेंजर व्हीकल या बाइक या और कैसे मतलब कई केसों में तो मतलब सीधा बंदा सिर में लगा और दुनिया में ही नहीं रहा, तो इट्स जस्ट वेरी पेनफुल फॉर मी. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी हियर देयर even this place, it's just full of bullocks and cows. So I just wonder that the Jain person owner of that company which export leather to out of India, and other businessmen and government still not utilize properly, and this is also big resistance for the growth of India and Indian roads, because you have watched that at that 3 roads at just by at the in the 1 kilometer range, just horrendous, horrible, and it's not inspiring. I can say that it's very disappointing, because we worship cow, we worship buffalo, and it's not a right way to get an accident and human casualties. I have posted that video, that hope, because I have seen that trust Bolero involved to utilize to capture buffaloes and cow and deliver them to at proper sanctuary and jungle and other farms at where they want get back to these Indian roads and national highways, and because I have seen even pigs on express highway, and when I am saying express highway, it's very very dangerous. You could understand over there people's speed, and it just how means they have to make properly cover the express highway, that not any big animal gonna come there, because the speed obviously too much extreme, and in that situation when get hit, it just very very painful, and it's it may take a claim of lives, human lives. तो मैं यही कहना चाह रहा था कि मतलब काफ़ी लेट तो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, क्योंकि मुझे भूलने दो, क्योंकि मैं ये अपने जो मैं फ्लाइंग बीस्ट का फ़ैन हूँ, राठी सर जिन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा हिंदी में वीडियो रखा, जो अहमदाबाद में जो डेंजरस प्लेन क्रैश हुआ, जिसका मतलब कुछ ग्लोबल मीडिया तो पता नहीं दिमाग साइड पे रख के बात कर रही थी. मैंने अभी अपने फ्लाइंग बीस्ट के वीडियो को स्टडी करना चालू किया और लर्न करना चालू किया, क्योंकि मैंने 1,39,876 किलोमीटर्स ईवी ड्राइव कर चुका हूँ। तो घर पे स्मार्ट होम बनाया है, तो मैं टेक्निकली तो काफ़ी साउंड हुई, वो तो है ही मतलब। और अभी हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, तो आप मेरे गुजराती दोस्तों, हिंदी जैसे हम लोकल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं, गुजराती और हिंदी में फ़र्क सिर्फ ऊपर की लाइन का ही है। तो जस्ट टेक दैट के તમે બી સાંભળો, તમે બી હિન્દીમાં સાંભળો our national language, and others can go on this that language of what the hell is that we have to do for our country, we have to do for our nation, that rising rapidly, and 50% youth is less than 30 age. So it's gonna be like a rocket engine, and we have to contribute our part for our nation and world. So our nation can contribute for a better world, better environment, better productivity, better production, better quality, better smart devices, better smart cars, better railway transport travel facilities. And we are doing export, and we are just issue with a heavy population, but it got utilizing with I appreciate some government efforts at some level, but in the matter of moments I didn't got that. Still they are not utilized, and I don't think so it's so hard, because let's see, here are also lot. This is Gandevi 4 Rasta, because as per my calculation and my knowledge, first we had to do to utilize these normals, okay, then rest other work falls. Take care guys, thank you for watching, continue later.